Good morning, students. Hope so you will be good and healthy. And very soon you are having the UT first. So you have got the date sheet. Accordingly, you can practice for your revision. Student, as you know, already we have completed the one revision, and already I have sent you the syllabus of UT. So we can start what the things will include. In the Zoom class also I have explained to you. So first chapter and second chapter, first chapter in history, understanding our past. So what the things you have to understand, this is a timeline. Student, you supposed to go through the timeline. Question can be formed from the timeline. So second thing is a reading portion is the must part. Okay, it means you have to go through the reading portion. You should not depend only the exercises what is given in the exercise. Okay, so you have to be do the proper and the good reading of the chapter. Maybe the 1 2 3 questions I have given from the chapter, all the things is from your chapter only, but what the students are doing, they are just having the look over the exercises only. Okay, even though it is a multiple choice questions, so reading is a must part. First is a reading and second is the timeline. You can see the timeline also in, especially in history. Okay, so in this way you can understand about this one. And now student, another the third point is it is given in the good to know. So wherever it is given to you just good to know, so you have to be go through both the chapters in his geography also. So third point is your good to know. Okay, good to know is an important portion of your revision one. Okay, afterwards when we can understand, number fourth point is a glossary. This also you can understand, only this time you are having the three chapters, as I have sent a revision to you. Yes, already one revision. Today you will get the one more revision. It means total I have included the 15 questions there. So but soon I have sent the answer key also, because we are not having the extra time. It means now you are not having the any day. So that's why on coming Wednesday is only your exam. So that's why I have sent you the revision work. So first of all, your important portion, first portion is a reading. Second portion is you have to look over the timeline. Then third point is a good to know also you can see. Fourth is a glossary. Glossary, two chapters from history and one from geography. So in this way you can understand. So now student, whatever given in the exercises, like it is given the alternative correct option, and even though match the following, fill in the blanks, and classify types, it is given in your history. So you have to go through very nicely also, and the questions can be formed from here in any kind. Suppose the match the following is given here, so I can form the question from match the following. Suppose who is the writer of Indica? Okay, so Indica was written by Megasthenes. So it is given here, no? So in this way student, I can form the question. So you just listen carefully. Same thing here also, lesson number 2. You have to be see. It is explaining about the earliest societies. I have explained to you. This chapter is explaining about the Stone Age, especially the Paleolithic age and the Mesolithic age. Paleolithic means, paleo means old age, so which is explain about the old age. And next one is a Mesolithic age. So meso means middle age. Okay, so what the changes occurred during this one, you have to be understand. Like Paleolithic Stone Age, human being were like the ape man. He was having the life of the nomadic only, and he was known as the hunter and gatherer. But in the during the, and whatever the different kinds of the stone tools he was using, they were not too sharp and pointed, but they were categorized, divided, classified in a different category. If you talk about the Mesolithic, so during the Mesolithic period, from the starting to the end, there were lots of changes. Like they have started domestication of animals and agricultural activities. So you have to be go through. Here is some kinds of caves is given, like the Bhimbetika is one of the cave paint cave where we got the painting of the Paleolithic Stone Age, which is located in the Madhya Pradesh state of India. So student, in this way you have to go through again the whatever the things is given in the glossary, you have to see. Okay, you supposed to have a one look over the glossary also. Same thing, exercise, whatever the exercise is given here, it is an important portion, and you can just see all the things. Same thing, it is about your universe. universe also you can see all the planets you are learning from the previous classes also. What is the stars and galaxy? I can ask you what biggest star and name some kinds of the galaxies. Then different kinds of the constellations are there, and about the moon, what is the waxing, and I have explained to you the earlier only waxing and waning part of the moon. And student, you can just see it is an important portion, the glossary, okay, especially in the portion of the geography. Luminous, elliptical, opaque, mass, waxing, waning, and the crater. So these, what is the meaning of this one, you have to be see and go through it. Okay, and about the chapter, all the things what is given here, like the fill in the blanks or MCQ, true false, fill in the blanks. So in this way, student, you can have a good look, or you can do the practice. It is something changed from a fifth standard. Whatever you have learned from the fifth standard, you have to leave that one, because now you are in the sixth standard. You have to take and adopt the new techniques, because your syllabus increase, your you have to increase your mental level. Okay, so in this way you have to go through only not or you have to depend on the exercise, but also you have to see the reading portion. Just I have been explained to you, especially in my subject, reading portion is a must part. Okay, so in this way, student, you can do the revision and the coming duty first. I think your first exam is SST. So for this one, well done and best of luck. You can today, I have sent this one, this revision. So first revision already I have sent you an answer key. Today again I have formed the 15 questions. Okay, these 15 questions you can see, and with the answer key, both the answer key I have sent, but you don't have to depend on the answer key. First you see the question from your side, then you can, if you are not getting, then you can see, you can match the answers with your teacher's answer. So like this way, student, we can get a good score. So for that one, very good luck and best of luck. Thank you and have a nice day.